Meaning of erratic block.
Erratic block.
Erratic block.
Erratic block.
Erratic block. An erratic block is a large rock or boulder that differs in size and type from the surrounding bedrock and was transported to its present location by glacial ice. These rocks can range in size from small pebbles to massive boulders weighing more than 1,000 tons. Erratic blocks are important geological indicators, as they can provide insights into the direction and magnitude of glacial movements in the past. The presence of erratic blocks in an area indicates that glaciers were once present and had the power to move these giant rocks over long distances.